The RYOBI Whole Stud Detector makes finding wood and metal studs quick and easy. Using one hand, place the stud finder against the wall and press and hold the power button, ensuring hand placement is below the indicated line. The LED lights will flash once, indicating it's calibrated. Do not release the power button. Continue to hold the tool against the wall and slowly move across the surface. Once you're over a stud, all LEDs will light up indicating the full length of the stud. Simply press the built-in stud marker button to mark the center of the stud. The RYOBI Whole Stud Detector is the most efficient way to find the whole stud every time. If the LED lights calibrate, but no lights appear when moved, move the device and calibrate again. If the LED lights flash repeatedly, move the device and calibrate again. Exclusively at the Home Depot.